At Best Reviews, our expert reviewers spend thousands of hours researching, analyzing, and testing products to recommend the best picks for most consumers. We'll present our experts' take on the pros and cons of each product, plus point out our best of the best pick and our best value pick to help you decide which product is right for you.
The first quadcopter by Holy Stone is our best of the best pick. Here are the pros. Distances itself from the pack with its state-of-the-art technology that includes GPS and return home function and superior camera that's capable of taking HD quality selfies, live video and more. Sturdy build. Here are the cons. Pricey. Instructions and customer service could be better. The best reviews bottom line. Though it may take little time and effort to master its functions, this quadcopter is an investment for the serious hobbyist who wants all the bells and whistles. We rated this Hubsan quadcopter as our best value pick. Here are the pros. Stands out for its stable flights and lightweight yet durable frame. Here are the cons. Instruction manual could be more detailed. The best reviews bottom line. Despite its small size, this sturdy quadcopter performs nearly as well as its larger and pricier competitors. The next quadcopter by SYMA is our third top pick. Here are the pros. A must-have for the enthusiast seeking an acrobatic machine with precise hovering. Here are the cons. Battery life is quite short. The best reviews bottom line. A great choice for beginners, but it can't always match its competitors' performance. We rank this ScharkSpark quadcopter as our fourth top pick. Here are the pros. An inexpensive model that is easy to fly and performs basic movements. Suitable for novices who are new to the hobby. Here are the cons. Basic functions won't interest seasoned quadcopter enthusiasts. Battery life isn't very long. The best reviews bottom line. Though it has limited abilities, beginners will appreciate learning to fly an affordable model that is nearly effortless to master. This quadcopter by Estes is our final top pick. Here are the pros. Ideal for low light flying thanks to LED light indicators on the front and back. Here are the cons. Very short flight time, even on fully charged batteries. The best reviews bottom line. It's a fun copter for beginners, but advanced users will want a more robust product with better battery life and performance.
We hope our expert research and testing notes will simplify your purchasing decision and help you decide which product is right for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to visit bestreviews.com for more in-depth product reviews.